Incredible benefits of eucalyptus essential oil. Benefits: improves respiratory conditions, relieves cough, improves seasonal allergies, fights infections, reduces pain and inflammation, alleviates headaches, aids wound care, improves earaches, boosts mental clarity, repels rats. Now Foods, Essential Oils, Eucalyptus Review. Description: 100% pure. Eucalyptus globulus. Purity tested, quality assured. Suggested use: mental focus blend, add 3 drops of eucalyptus oil, 2 drops each of peppermint oil and tangerine oil to a diffuser and enjoy. For aromatherapy use. For all other uses, carefully dilute with a carrier oil such as jojoba, grapeseed, olive, or almond oil prior to use. Please consult an essential oil book or other professional reference source for suggested dilution ratios. Other ingredients: 100% pure eucalyptus oil. Warnings: natural essential oils are highly concentrated and should be used with care. Caution: keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. If pregnant or lactating, consult your healthcare practitioner before using. Not for internal use. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.